There's been a debate going on online. Are the Govee Elites and the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights 2 compatible with one another? If you look online, the answers are truly divided. Many people say they're two totally different devices and one cannot be used with the other. Others say they're the exact same thing, just the Elite is a store version and the 2s are Govee's version that you buy online. Now, someone who's an investigator for their day-to-day job and has a bit of a science background, I like experiments. So first I have to come up with a hypothesis. Second, experiments. It's a pretty simple idea from a post on the Govee website where somebody said that their controller for their Elite lights was damaged. And Govee sells the controller for the Permanent Outdoor 2s on the website and on Amazon. So they wanted to know, if I buy a controller for the Permanent 2s, can I salvage my lights that are the Elites? And people responded. Again, it was divided. I even Googled it. Google told me that they cannot be combined. They are not compatible. This is model H805A, and this is model H705E. So Google says they're two totally different devices. So with this question posed by the user, it's a simple experiment. I'm going to show that the Elites work, and for ease of the experiment, the Elites are white, the controller for the Elites are white, and for the Permanent Outdoor 2s, the lights are black, and the controller is black. So as I swap things, we'll be able to see. And you're going to want to stick around because this experiment brought another question to mind. Currently, at Costco, you can buy a 180-foot version of the Elites, which is 11 segments. Normally, there are a max of 9 segments. The Permanent Outdoor Lights 2, still only available at a max of 150 feet or 9 segments. So I have a question I want to answer tonight. Is there a software update that will make either one of these be able to be extended to 11 segments with nothing more? Or do you have to go to Costco to buy the bigger version? That'll be answered at the end. So the first part of the experiment, I'm just going to show that each one works. All right, so these are the Elites. They're on, they're functioning. I currently just have 3 segments for space, and then we'll do the 2s. All right, and the 2s work. So our user said their Elite controller died. So let's kill it. But they know that they can currently buy a Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights 2 controller on the website for under 50 bucks and possibly salvage their setup. So this is a simple experiment. I'm going to plug them in. If they're not compatible, it won't work. We can clearly see that the controller for the 2s is plugged into my white Elites and the lights are functioning. Will the Elite controller power these? Again, the 2s are the black lights, the Elite is white. You can see the controller is plugged in. The lights are functioning. Now, are they simply functioning because there's power going to them, or will they work in the app? So we're going to open up the app. I'm going to put it on the share screen. So we have it up right now. I have them listed, the top 2 devices, Permanent Lights 2 and Permanent Lights Elite. We now have the 2s powering the Elites. So we're going to go into the 2s. So we just want to see, is this simply a power thing, or can we actually control these lights with the different controllers? So let's make all the lights solid blue. Again, they're solid blue. Red. So clearly the controller for the Permanent Outdoor Lights 2 can control the lights for the Elites. And let's just double check that it works the other way around. So let's make these ones red. So again, it's not a power issue, they're fully controlled. It appears that the 2s and the Elites doesn't matter. Now, another question arises. The Elites and the 2 have different model numbers. Let's say this user has 3 different sets of Elites at their house and now they have a controller for the 2s on just one set. Does group control still work? Group control, if you don't know, same model devices can be grouped as one. It creates one device card to control multiple devices from one location. So if you pick from the color wheel, you'll have the same color on everything. rather than trying to match it. So to do that, we click our little circle here, we go to Feature Hub, and we're gonna go to this little purple 3 squares that says Group, and we wanna create. Now it always gives us options. Same model group control or basic group control. Basic group control is when you have multiple devices. So maybe you have a table lamp, these, torch air lamp, and you wanna control all those from one location. It's limited, but you can still do it to an extent. We want to see, does same model control work? So when you click it, it's going to show you all your devices. We can see I have probably too many. So my Ceiling Light Pro 15 we can see here. If I click it, it grays out the other things that it is not compatible with. And I can scroll through and I don't have anything else that's compatible because I just have one. Let's pick the Permanent Lights 2. Top 3 items stay together. We know the second one is the Elites, so we click Next. And as you can see on the screen share here now, both devices are on one device card. We can name it Elite 2s, and both devices are on here. We can go down, we can pick scenes. They both go to the same scene at the same time. Rainbow. Again, group control works. The only other question is, do the Elite lights and the Permanent Outdoor Lights 2, the actual physical lights, are they interchangeable? So we'll turn this off and we'll connect these 3 strands of the Permanent Outdoor Lights 2. Turn it off real quick just in case there's any kind of power issues. All right, so they're plugged in. And they light up. Only other question I really had, I mentioned earlier, the Permanent Outdoor Lights Elite are now available in 180 foot with 11 segments. So let's go back to the Elite controller. We're now back on the Elites, we have 6 segments. The other thing I want to know is, can I make the Elites, that was a 100 foot set, become a 180 foot 11 segment set, as you can now buy at Costco. To check that, we would go into Settings and Number of Segments. So right now we have 6, we can do 7, we can do 8, we can do 9. Does not show us the 11 segment option. This is our firmware that we're on. Recent, it has not popped up. To update, it appears if you need more than 150 feet of Permanent Outdoor Lights 2 or Elites, you have to go to Costco and buy the 180 foot sections. I truly appreciate you guys checking this out with me. It was a fun, quick little experiment. If there's any other things that you have questions about, things that you want me to experiment on, drop them in the comments. Make sure you follow. So thank you. And again, if there's any questions, drop them down below. I'll answer them.